Here's the exact process that you need to do to get started with YouTube. So first, brainstorm any idea that you think. What do I want to record about? The home buying process in Arkansas because it's unique. Cool. You got that down. Now you're going to optimize. Here in the optimize stage, what you're considering is, what does my thumbnail need to look like? So think of it the billboard. It's a billboard of your video. That's what a thumbnail is for your video. What's my thumbnail going to look like? What am I going to title it? Super important. I'm going to title it to the way that people search for content. How to buy a house in Arkansas. Boom, you're done. There's the title, right? And then that's the third element to the optimize stage is there even a demand for it? Is there traffic? Are people looking for this? Well, I gave us a very simple example. Yeah, there is. There's hundreds of people searching for that every single month. So you met the 3 criteria in the optimization stage. So I'll repeat that again real quick because I know in an audio, it's hard to catch. Thumbnail, title, and then traffic. Thumbnail, title, traffic, the 3 T's. So that's in your optimized stage. Then you go over to script. You can write out everything that you want to say, or you could do just a bullet point. Bullet point A, bullet point B, bullet point C. This is what I want to cover. Cool. After you script, then you go to record. So notice that we're recording now, as opposed to what you hear around the water cooler. Well, just hit record. Well, there's a little bit more to that, right? So recording doesn't need to be super complicated. You got your recording device right here. You turn it horizontal and you're recording. You're done. Now, if you want a $5,000 camera like the one that Joseph and I have, hit us up for our affiliate link because we'll take that all day long. Am I right? Joseph's laughing. Am I right?
Free money. I'll take your free money. That's for sure.
Oh yeah. Now you can absolutely, we kid halfway, still hit us up for the affiliate, but with the camera, that's the least of your worries. Let's not get stuck there. That's where we start as consumers, as people, as agents. We start with the technology, but that's the last of our worries. After we record, we edit. Every single computer that is purchased ever since, I guess, 2010, or probably sooner, does come with a free editor, whether it's a PC or a Mac. So whichever one you want to use, that's awesome. If you want to upgrade to Premiere or Final Cut, if you're using PC or a Mac, awesome. Good for you. That's editing. Then you distribute. Distributing is uploading to the platforms, uploading it to the Facebooks, to the LinkedIn's and everything else. But now we're talking about YouTube. That's the entire process. You brainstorm, you optimize, you script, you record, you edit, and then you distribute by uploading it on to YouTube.